Welcome to Dream AI, Real-Time Signals, RTS, your tool for fast AI-powered trading insights. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to search and generate real-time AI signals. Log in to your back office at backoffice.dctnetwork.info. Go to the RTS generation under the Dream AI menu. Use the search bar and type at least 3 characters of any trading symbol, like XAU or BTC. Matching symbols will appear with a Generate Signal button. Click Generate Signal. If you have enough credits, confirm the pop-up to receive your AI-generated signal instantly. Your signal will show the current price, entry, target, stop loss, confidence level, risk-to-reward ratio, technical indicators, RSI, EMA, MACD+, market sentiment, news, and trend analysis, everything you need to make smarter decisions. Dream AI RTS gives you real-time intelligent trading signals designed to help you trade with clarity and confidence. Start exploring your signals today. Visit www.dctnetwork.info to get started.